to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited to do. So this is going to be a making new outfits with old clothes. What I did was I've been on Pinterest checking out different outfits that I like. I'm always pinning outfit inspiration and all of that jazz on there. So you guys are more than welcome to follow along if you enjoy style that I enjoy as well, because there's loads on there. But basically what I did was search through my my Pinterest saves on my fashion section, and I picked out a couple different outfits that I want to try to recreate with my own wardrobe. We're not shopping, we're just using things that I already have in my closet and just seeing how we can recreate some of these styles. So I think the thing with recreating things with your own wardrobe is you want to kind of pick things with either similar colors or things that are sort of similar shapes and cuts, because obviously you don't have those exact pieces. So we want to emulate it as much as possible with the things that we already have. So the first outfit I wanted to start off with, I'll just insert a picture right here, the one that I picked out. So this one I thought was so cute. It's also perfect for the springtime, just a really cute outfit overall. And I actually found that most of the outfits that I pinned, I'm just gonna hang on, Kyle's blending something. So I found that with most of the outfits that I pinned and that I wanted to pick out for this video were things that were created with a lot of basic pieces, which is why I think it's so important to have those basics in your wardrobe that you can mix and match with. And that's typically the things that I'm drawn to. So if you're drawn to a picture of an outfit, chances are is because, well, obviously it's because it's your style, but chances are you already have some similar things within your wardrobe that you can work with. I think we did pretty good with this outfit just because I had a lot of very similar pieces already in my wardrobe. Now, I don't know if you guys watched my video where I was doing trends on a budget, but I actually cut up an older pair of jeans that I had and turned them into these denim Bermuda shorts, which is maybe about why I was drawn to that photo in the first place, because it had these shorts and I had been wanting a pair of these shorts, so it's perfect that I kind of did a little DIY version of them. But yeah, so I just popped these on. Basic white t-shirt. This is from Everlane. I've had it for a little while. And then I also have this sort of like trenchy overcoat thing. I got this from Forever 21 so long ago, and I've just never been able to part ways with it because I love it so much. What I did with this, like obviously the denim and the t-shirts, that's pretty bang on with the photo. But then with this overcoat, I don't really have a blazer in this sort of color. So that's why I opted for this. I went for the color tones to match up. And then for the handbag, I kind of did the same thing. She's carrying a teeny tiny little red handbag, so I ended up just opting for my big red bag to keep on with the same color tones as that outfit. But what you could do, say you didn't have an overcoat that's this sort of color or a bag that's this sort of color, get something that's a similar style, a similar cut, pop that on instead. So with the bag, if you had maybe, you know, a teeny tiny little yellow bag or a teeny tiny little black bag, you could pop that on instead. So you're emulating the style of it rather than the color, whereas here I chose to emulate the color of the outfit. Now in the photo I couldn't see what shoes she was wearing, so I kind of just opted for a pair of nude sandals. I think when in doubt, go nude. Because it just goes with everything, and I think this outfit turned out really cute and something, you know, maybe I wouldn't have paired together for a summer little look, but now I have a new little outfit to rock. All right, so this next picture here, I love this outfit so much. I think this was so cute. I love the oversized with the more fitted skirt as well. Another one that could be great for the spring months. And with this one here, obviously I don't have the exact pieces, so I'm gonna try to work with similar things that I have in my wardrobe already. So let's get onto that one. I think I did okay on this one too. So what I opted for is my faux leather skirt, obviously, since she's rocking a leather skirt in that picture, and it's very fitted, so similar style. Then for the top, I didn't have like a knit sweater like that, so what I opted for is this ribbed turtleneck that I have here. This is super old from H&M. I've had this for a few years, and I thought the color was very similar to what she was wearing, which is why I opted for this one here. And my skirt's also from H&M a couple years ago. Then because she's wearing that big oversized blazer coat, I thought that would be perfect to pop on my big oversized blazer coat. So any sort of top that you have that's oversized. Now because I didn't have something that was in the color green like she was wearing, I just put on what I had that was a similar style, which would be this bad boy right here. And I thrifted this not too long ago, actually. Really love it. And then once again, I can't see the shoes that she's wearing in that picture, so I thought maybe just a cute little pair of strappy sandals. I got these last year from Everlane. I don't know, I thought they went really cute with this look. And I don't have a similar bag to what she has, so I opted for something that was a similar size and color, which is why I went for just a little black handbag right here, so I could rock that crossbody or just over my shoulder, and then layering up a couple of gold necklaces because that's what she was wearing in that photo as well. And this one here, I felt like this one was so cool girl chic. I really love the effortlessness of this outfit. I thought it was super cute, like a great weekend type of outfit, and I really wanted to recreate something like this within my wardrobe. I loved this outfit so much when I pinned it. I think this is so cute, and this is my take on it right here. So basically what I've done is taken a pair of linen pants. I got these last year from the Bay and I thought they were perfect. I was kind of going for a similar color that she was wearing in the photo, so she has that beige pant and these are sort of, you know, quite similar to that. Then also a pair of nude flats. I don't have nude heels, so I went for the pointed toe nude flats, and I feel like that really gives off the same sort of vibe here. Flats are from Everlane. Then for the top, she's wearing a full-out turtleneck sweater that's more of like that sporty sweater, which I do not have a turtleneck in more of a sporty sweater. Note to self, maybe I should get one since I'm a turtleneck freak. But this is what I did to sort of makeshift that. I took this like sporty NY sweater that I have here. I got this from H&M a very long time ago. I actually have a little foundation stain on the front here. I kind of just wear this around the house now. If anyone knows how to get foundation out of clothing, let me know. So this sweater here, and then I layered underneath my mock neck top here that I have from Boohoo. I got this probably about 3 or 4 years ago. Love this top. And yeah, I thought it went perfectly, and you still get that vibe of having the turtleneck sweater, and the colors they're okay, you know, because she has the gray sweater and I have this very light gray sweater, and then the cream, it kind of blends out really nicely. So for the top, I went more for the shape of it. She's also wearing a black belt, so I popped on just a black belt, basic black belt here from Forever 21 a little while back when they still had stores. Let me know what you guys think of this one right here. I really like this. And lastly, are we shocked that it's another very basic outfit? No, we are not. So yeah, with this one here, I love just the contrast of the dark and the light. I also love that it's a little bit more oversized. I feel like as my style is evolving, I really just love all of that oversized goodness. So I'm gonna try to recreate something like this with what I have as well. For this look here, I really just tried to emulate the contrast of that outfit. So I have this pair of shorts from H&M. I got these 2 summers ago. I believe they have them again this summer though. I have them in black too. Love them. So I'll link them if I can find them for you guys. But yeah, I love these shorts so much, and I think like I really loved the shorts that the girl had in this photo, and that's what drew me to that outfit as a whole, because I love the length of those shorts. I feel like I want to get a pair of shorts that are just about to here and very tailored and almost suit-like, but these were the closest things that I had to what she was wearing in that photo. And then I opted for a crop top that I have here. This is from Zara, a very old top from Zara, and this top I get a lot of wear out of in the summertime, especially with high-waisted items. So I thought this would be the perfect top because it has a very similar cut to what she was wearing in the photo with the higher neck there. And then I also paired on a oversized black blazer. This is one I like to pop belts on with a lot. This is super old from Forever 21. It's just a very like flowy, unstructured blazer. Then for necklace, I noticed she just had like a little gold necklace there, so I thought this would be perfect to pop on my chunkier gold chain with. Now I actually got this secondhand at a local vintage shop, but a lot of you guys asked me about this necklace, and I actually found something so similar on Nordstrom that they just got in for the season. So I'll link that below for you guys if you're interested in something super similar. But I love this. I think it just adds such a nice touch to any outfit. And once again, we can't see what kind of shoes she's wearing, so I just opted for my black little strappy sandals here again from Everlane. And overall, I think this is another win. I think we did really good with all of these outfits. Just goes to show you what you can do with a lot of very classic basics in your wardrobe. You can sort of emulate those styles that you like, that you see online when you have those good basics in your wardrobe. It's so easy to mix and match everything. So that is gonna wrap up my video for today. I really hope you guys liked this. This one was a lot of fun to do. I've never really done one trying to emulate other photos of other outfits that I've seen, but I'm definitely gonna do this again, maybe with some summer outfits next time as it gets a little bit warmer. I'd always love to hear your feedback, so let me know in the comments below what you thought, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!